have studied about a new concept from chemistry, that is hydrocarbon. So, hydrocarbon. So, what is hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbons are the compounds which are formed from hydrogen and carbon. Remember that the compound which is formed by hydrogen and carbon are known as hydrocarbon. For example, methane, CH4. Methane is formed from carbon and hydrogen. So that's why this is hydrocarbon. So what is the difference between hydrocarbon and carbohydrate? Compounds which are formed by carbon and hydrogen are termed as hydrocarbon, and the compounds which are formed by carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, they are carbohydrate. Okay, for example, glucose, we know that. Okay, so remember that the compound which is formed only by carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbon. So methane is the best example in which they are made from carbon and hydrogen. Okay, then next is classification of hydrocarbon. We write here hydrocarbon. So you remember the definition for hydrocarbon. What is the definition? Compounds which are formed from carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbon. Okay. Now this classification of hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbon classified into two types. First one is open chain hydrocarbon and closed chain hydrocarbon. Open chain and closed chain. Then this open chain further classified into saturated and unsaturated. Saturated and unsaturated. Similarly, this closed chain also classified into saturated and unsaturated. Saturated and unsaturated. Okay. This saturated hydrocarbon, that example is alkane, ALKANE. This unsaturated hydrocarbon is alkene. The example is alkene and alkyne. Here ANE, in case of unsaturated, here ENE, and here YNE. Okay. Now we discuss in detail about alkane, alkene and alkyne further. Okay. Closed chain also classified into saturated and unsaturated. Saturated is also called as alicyclic. Okay. Alicyclic. This is called alicyclic, and this one is open chain is also known as acyclic. Acyclic, and closed chain is known as cyclic. Okay, remember that. So both are different. That is acyclic and this is alicyclic. Alicyclic means aliphatic and cyclic. So that's why alicyclic. Okay. So alicyclic and unsaturated classified as, or give example is aromatic. The example for unsaturated closed chain hydrocarbon is aromatic. And in case of aromatic, there are two types further. First one is benzenoid, that means which contain benzene, and next one is non-benzenoid. Okay, so this is the classification for hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means the compounds which are formed from carbon and hydrogen. They are classified into two types: open chain hydrocarbon and closed chain hydrocarbon. Open chain hydrocarbon, in which the terminals of carbons are not joined to one another. In closed chain hydrocarbon, they are cyclic, that means terminals of carbon are joined with one another. Okay. Open chain hydrocarbon further classified into saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So what is saturated? Saturated hydrocarbon, that means in which carbon-carbon carries single bond, only one bond between carbon and carbon. Unsaturated, unsaturated hydrocarbon means in which carbon-carbon carries double or triple bond. If there is a double bond, then it is termed as alkene. If there is a triple bond, then it is termed as alkyne. Okay. Closed chain or cyclic hydrocarbon. Closed chain hydrocarbon further classified into saturated and unsaturated. Saturated means early cyclic, aliphatic and cyclic. For example, cyclohexane. This is early cyclic. Okay. And in case of unsaturated aromatic, unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is aromatic. Aroma means smell. The compound which having benzene nucleus in its, the compound having smell. So that's why aromatic compounds. Further, there are compounds which contains benzene nucleus, that is benzonoid compound, and which are aromatic but does not include benzene in it. They are non-benzonoid compound. For example, pyridine. Pyridine is a non-benzonoid compound because it is a heterocyclic compound. Okay, so this is the classification for hydrocarbon, in which we use the classification in this way. Here we have more study about what is mean by alkane, what is mean by alkene, and what is mean by alkyne. Okay, so first of all, we'll discuss about the definition for alkane. So this is very important part, examination point of view, and this is the very important to understand the organic chemistry. Okay, so this is, we have start here, alkane. Okay, this ANE stands for single bond. Now, what is alkane? Alkanes are the hydrocarbons, that is aliphatic saturated hydrocarbon, in which carbon-carbon carries single bond. So what is the definition? Definition: alkanes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbon in which carbon having single bond. For example, carbon. Now we know that what is the valency of carbon? 4. So that's why 3 hydrogens are here, 3 hydrogens are here. So this is ethane. 2 carbons are here, so that's why ethane. So definition is, once again I'll repeat this: aliphatic saturated hydrocarbon in which carbon having single bond. And in case of alkane, methane is the first member from alkane family, though it does not contain carbon single bond, but only one carbon. So that's why carbon attached with 4 hydrogen atom, and this is methane. So general molecular formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So what is N? N is number of carbon atom. If you put N is equal to 1, then what it become? C1H, 2 into 1 plus 2 equal to CH4. If we put N is equal to 2, N is equal to 3, then it become ethane, propane. If you put N is equal to 4, then butane, N is equal to 5, then pentane, N is equal to 6, then hexane, N is equal to 7, then heptane, N is equal to 8, then octane, N is equal to 9, nonane, and N is equal to 10, then it becomes C10, H20 plus 2, that is C10, H22, that is decane. तर या पद्धतीनं आपण हायड्रोकार्बन, त्याचं क्लासिफिकेशन, त्याचे एक्झाम्पल्स आणि अल्केनच्या बाबतीत त्याचं इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट ह्या अल्केनचा आपण बघितलंय. परत एकदा अल्केनची डेफिनेशन बघूया. अल्केन्स आर एलिफॅटिक सॅच्युरेटेड, हा शब्द महत्वाचा. एलिफॅटिक सॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन इन विच कार्बन कार्बन हॅव्हिंग सिंगल बॉन्ड. आता याच्यावरून तुम्ही अंदाज लावू शकता की अल्किनचे डेफिनेशन काय असेल. इथेच आपण बघूया. अल्किन्स आर, जर आपण अल्किन्सच्या बाबतीत विचार केला तर ANE च्या ऐवजी फक्त ENE आहे, म्हणजे सिंगल बॉन्डच्या ऐवजी डबल बॉन्ड. तिथे कसं असेल, एलिफॅटिक अनसॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बन इन विच कार्बन कार्बन हॅव्हिंग double bond. This is for alkene. And what about for alkyne? Aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbon in which carbon carbon having triple bond. म्हणजे बघा किती सोपे डेफिनेशन आहे. आणि त्याच पद्धतीने त्याचे मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला बदलतात. अल्केनसाठी CnH2n+2, अल्किनसाठी हे 2 कमी करा CnH2n, अल्काइनसाठी अजून 2 कमी करा म्हणजे 2/CN मधून 2 वजा करा, सो CnH2n-2. आपण अल्केन, अल्किन आणि अल्काइन याचा थोडासा बघा. अल्केन ANE, अल्किन ENE आणि अल्काइन YNE. सो अल्केन मध्ये कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड, अल्किन कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड, अल्काइन कार्बन कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. हे फक्त आपल्याला माहितीसाठी आपण करून घेतो. ओके. त्याच्यानंतर अल्केन मध्ये सॅच्युरेटेड, अल्केन हे सॅच्युरेटेड आहे. दिस इज अनसॅच्युरेटेड, दिस इज ऑल्सो अनसॅच्युरेटेड. Okay, then general molecular formula for alkane is CnH2n+2. For here CnH2n, and for here CnH2n-2. If you put n is equal to 2, then what it become? The example is C2H6, that is ethane. For here C2H4, this is ETHENE, ethene. And for here C2H twice into 2, 4 minus 2, C2H2, that is ethyne. Ethyne is also known as acetylene. Okay, so this is about introduction for aliphatic, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Examples are alkane, alkene and alkyne. Alkane having carbon carbon single bond which is saturated. The molecular formula is CnH2n+2. The example is ethane. Alkene, in which carbon carbon carries double bond, that is unsaturated. CnH2n, this is molecular formula for alkene, general molecular formula. Example is C2H4, that is ethene. For alkyne, carbon carbon carries triple bond which is unsaturated also. General molecular formula is CnH2n-2 and example is ethyne. So hope that this is the introductory part for hydrocarbon. In the next video we will study about details on how they are prepared as well as how they what are the properties for hydrocarbons. Okay.